Hi everybody, my name is Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a video today on these Marley twists that I have in my hair. As you guys may know, if you've been following most of my videos, I'm 100% natural. So of course the summertime is almost here. So I'm trying to do some protective styling, and these twists were super quick and easy to do. Yeah, so if you're interested to see how I did these twists, then stay tuned. Alright, so in order to do these Marley twists, of course you need Marley hair. So the hair that I use came in a packaging that looks like this. So this is the Sensational Jamaican locks. And these are 44 inches, so of course they're super long. And I use the color 1B and 1. So pretty much, basically like all the back of my hair is the color 1, and then like at the top I use 1B. My hair is pretty much black, maybe a little brown. So the color 1 or 1B works fine for me. Yeah. So, but you can use any type of Marley hair that you choose. I chose this brand. The only reason why I chose this brand, honestly, is because it was the brand that had the longest length of Marley hair. And this package was $13.99. So in order for me to do my hair, I used about 4 packs of hair. When I first did it, I used 4 packs. And I went back afterwards and took some of them out and made them a little bit smaller because I wanted them to be big at first because I didn't want to take that long to do them. But I realized that they were some of them were too big and it was just too many in my head. So I took some of them out and then just like retwisted them smaller. So my twists aren't like uniform across my whole head. Like some of them are small, some of them are larger. Whatever. I think that makes the hairstyle looks better since it's not all uniform. Yeah, so basically in order to do this hairstyle, I started off with pretty much stretch hair. I have been wearing my hair in a bun for the past week, so I just took my bun out and I moisturized my hair. I actually did my hair over at my parents' house, so whatever my mom had, I just used that. And then after moisturizing my hair, when I did each of the sections, I just used this Eco Styler gel basically on the roots. I did put the gel on like the length of my hair. Once I started getting down to the point where my hair would end, just so that you couldn't see it basically like sticking out of the twist. So yeah, so it was super easy. I would say it took me about 4.5 hours. And I was like watching TV, eating, talking, whatever. I wasn't really like super focused on doing my hair. So I would say that's pretty quick in comparison to like when I do braids on my own hair. That usually takes me about 7 or 8 hours. And I wasn't trying to take that long to do a hairstyle that I'm only going to wear for like a week. So I know that sounds ridiculous, but I'm getting ready to graduate next week and I don't want to have Marley twists in my hair, but I have somewhere to go this weekend coming up, so I needed something really quick and easy to do just in the meantime. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take one of my twists down to show you guys how I did it, and I'll definitely have to zoom in. I have a twist that, one of the twists that I redid, and it was unraveling a little bit. So I decided to redo it. So I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so now that I got you guys zoomed in, I know I'm like super duper close, but I want to show you how I do this twist. Okay, give me a second because I forgot the gel. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist out. So as you can see, the twist was slipping because I had put it in like in a rush. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take this one out and redo it so I can show you guys how I did it. So all you need to do to take your twist out is to just literally like pull it apart. Okay, so here's what the piece of hair looks like. I'm actually going to, while I have it taken out, I'm gonna put some oil on it. Let me grab my oil. So I'm just about to put this shea butter oil on my hair. Okay, so as you can see, it was split into two sections. So that's the first thing that you're gonna do. You're going to put your hair, split your hair into two sections. Then you're gonna take some gel, say just like a little bit of gel, and put it basically like on the root of the hair. Then you're gonna take your Marley hair, split it in half, and you're going to put the Marley hair in between the two pieces of hair. I hope you guys can see this. Then on one side, you're going to spin the hair, you know, whichever direction you want to spin it. And then hold that piece there. And then the other piece of hair, you're going to spin it in the opposite direction. And trust me, this might look a little bit difficult, but once you get the swing of it, it'll be super easy for you to do. And then once you have them both twisted in the opposite directions, you're just going to bring them over and continue to twist them in the direction that they were both going. So as I'm crossing them over, I'm still twisting them. And then I'm just adding a little bit of gel as I go down. And then once you get down to the bottom, you don't have to continue to like twist it and twist the pieces in your hand. Like you can just start twisting them. But when you do that, let's see, when you do that, it's a little bit looser. Like it'll just be, the twist will be kind of looser on the end if you don't like twist it simultaneously while you're like twisting the hair down. I'll show you an example of one of the pieces when I'm finished. So now all I'm doing is just twisting the hair all the way to the end. Alright, so this is what the end looks like, and here is the finished product. So as you can see at the root, it's twisted at the root. It's nice and tight, and yeah. So let me zoom back out for you guys. All right, so that was super easy. I'm just gonna stand up to show you guys how long the hair actually is on me. So I might need to get on my tippy toes a little bit, but as you can see, the hair is pretty long. The pack says 44 inches, and I just like took it out of the pack the way that it was and just separated them to be as big or as small as I wanted them to. So I said I was going to show you an example of what it would look like if you started off with the root twisted really tight and then like let the ends kind of go. So there's like mostly in the back are the pieces where the twists are like really big. So like at the root, it's kind of like tight, but then as you get down the length of the hair, it's looser. And that's because I didn't like twist it at the same time that I was like twisting the hair, if you get what I mean. So it's really just your preference. Like, depending on what you want the hair to look like, you can do it however you want. Like I said, I was just trying to do something quick and easy, so I didn't care about the hair being perfect. Some of the parts in the back of my head are like super huge, and then like at the top I have smaller parting spaces, and then, you know, there are some pieces that the twists are big, there's some places where the twists are small, like whatever. I think that makes the hair look better anyway, so whatever you want to do, just do you, boo. So yeah. And then I also have these, like, I don't know what they're called, like the little strings that you wrap around your hair, like the little fashion, whatever. I just picked up a roll of this from my local beauty supply store. It was only $2.99, and it looks like there's a lot on here. So I'm pretty sure if you go to your local beauty supply store, you'll see this in there, and they have like different colors and things like that. So you don't have to just get a white one. As you can see, it was super easy for me to do that twist. And if you're having difficulty doing that twisting method, because it can be a little bit difficult to do at first, you can always just braid your hair at the root and then just start twisting it after that. So one more thing I forgot, I also wanted to show you guys how I maintain this hairstyle. I picked up this Olive Miracle braid sheen spray. It says it helps stop breakage, split ends, dryness, repairs dry damaged hair, feather light moisturizing formula. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. The brand is African Pride. So basically I just spray my scalp pretty much, and then I also spray like down the length of the hair. And then the other thing that I have is this sheen spray as well. It's called Braid and Twist Shine Anti-Breakage Anti-Itch Condition, and it has argan oil and keratin in it. And I got this from my local beauty supply store as well, and I spray this on the scalp, and it has helped with like making my scalp feel moisturized and like soothing the scalp. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've been doing that every morning when I wake up. That's all I do with these twists. Super low maintenance. If you guys want me to do a video on like some different styles that you can do with these Marley twists, then let me know in the comment box down below. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you want me to do more hair videos, then please leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.